The last class I was explaining to you about the continuous series. In continuous series, class intervals and frequencies will be given. Class interval, we have two types, exclusive series and inclusive series, or exclusive method and inclusive method. Exclusive method is one where the upper limit of one class becomes the lower limit of the next class. In the case of inclusive series, both the lower limit and upper limit will be included in that class itself. Again, I have also told to you about the correction factor. Correction factor will be deducted from the lower limit and added to the upper limit so that inclusive series becomes exclusive. Next, open-end class. What is this open-end class? The open-end class is one where the lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class will not be given. Open-end class is one where both lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class will not be given in the problem. For example, less than 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 and above. This is open-end class. Open-end class is one where the lower limit of the first class and upper limit of the last class will not be given in the problem. Next, midpoint, mid value. Midpoint, mid value, central value, central point. Mid value andru onde, midpoint andru onde, central value andru onde, central point andru onde. Mid value equals to mid value or midpoint equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Midpoint or mid value equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Now lower limit is 10, upper limit is 20, divided by 2 equals to 15. Lower limit is 20, upper limit is 30, divided by 2 equals to 25. This is midpoint. Midpoint equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. ಇವಾಗ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ 50 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಯು. 30, 45, 48, 55, 39, 32, 31, 22, 21, 18, 54, 59, 61, 33, 34, 44, 10, 38, 19, 62, 74, 43, 73, 41, 46, 33, 51, 37, 85, 85, 71, 29, 22, 62, 29, 58, 55, 63, 64, 44, 43, 27, 32, 43, 52, 31, 47, 64, 18, 51. Prepare a frequency table ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ lowest value is 10. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ. 10, lowest value 10, put a circle for that. Highest value is 85, put a circle for that. Lowest is 10, highest is 85. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10 to 20, 10 ರಿಂದ 20. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 85 highest, 80 to 90. 10 to 20 first class, 80 to 90 last class. Very continuous frequency distribution. Continuous frequency distribution. Heading marks bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ class interval tally or tally bars, tallies or tally bar. Number of students, number of students, this is frequency. Continuous frequency distribution. Today lowest number given is 10, lowest marks is 10, highest marks is 85. First class 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. ಇವಾಗ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 30. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ upper limit of the one class becomes the lower limit of the next class. Upper limit of the first class becomes the lower limit of the second class. Second class, third class. Third, fourth. Fourth, fifth. Fifth, sixth, and so on. So ಇವಾಗ 30, 20 to 30 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಬಾರದು, 30 to 40 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Put your bar. Then 45, 40 to 50. Then 48, 40 to 50. Then 55, 50 to 60. 39, 30 to 40. 32, 30 to 40. 31, 30 to 40. 22, 20 to 30. 21, 20 to 30. 18, 10 to 20. 54, 50 to 60. 59, 50 to 60. 61, 60 to 70. 33, 30 to 40. 4 ಆಯಿತು, 5 ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ ಅಡ್ಡಗೆರೆ. 49 ಯಾವುದು? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 45, 45. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. First one is 30. Second one is 45. Third one is 48. Fourth one is 55. Fifth one is 39. 32. 31. 22. 20 to 30. 21. 20 to 30. 18. 10 to 20. 54. 50 to 60. 59, 50 to 60, 61, 60 to 70, 33, 30 to 40, 34, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 30 to 40, 44, 40 to 50, 10, 10 to 20, 38, 30 to 40, 19, 10 to 20, 62, 60 to 70, 74, 70 to 80, 43, 40 to 50, 73, 70 to 80, 41, 40 to 50, 46, 40 to 50, 33, 30 to 40, 51, 50 to 60, 37, 30 to 40, 85, 80 to 90, 85, 80 to 90, 71, 70 to 80, 29, 20 to 30, 22, 20 to 30, 62, 60 to 70, 29, 20 to 30, 58, 50 to 60, 55, 50 to 60, 63, 60 to 70, 64, 60 to 70, 44, 40 to 50, 43, 40 to 50, 27, 20 to 30, 32, 30 to 40, 43, 40 to 50, 52, 50 to 60, 31, 30 to 40, 47, 40 to 50, 64, 60 to 70, 18, 10 to 20, 51, 50 to 60. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4, 5, 12, 10, 8, 6, 3, 2, 5 ಅವರು 11, 8, 19, 21, 30, 4, 5, 50. Number of n equals to 50. n or total ಅಥವಾ total or n equals to 50. ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ continuous frequency table from the following data taking class interval of 40 to 50, 50 to 60, etc. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, etc. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 40 to 50, 50 to 60 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 50 ಇದೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 1 ನಿಮಿಷ 49, 42, 40 ಲೋಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 40 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 40 to 50, ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 115 ಇದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 110 to 120. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 40 to 50, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 110 to 120. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 40 to 50, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 110 to 120. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟು. ಓಕೆ.